Honestly, I didn't know Travis Scott played golf. That's awesome that he plays. I've never seen him play, but maybe I'll check that out. Alright, so as you saw in the title, we got ourselves an unboxing of a Jordan Travis Scott golf shoe. Right here, I got it just today in the mail. I'm excited to kind of see what's inside, kind of go through the little details from the shoelace to the actual shoe to the box, all those things. Before we do the unboxing, if you're new to this channel, hey, if you could subscribe, that'd be awesome. And if you can also smash that like button, that'd be huge. But all right, let's get to this. But wow, this box looks really nice so far. Throw that over there. All right, so box kind of looks the box looks great. Like, this looks really premium. It's not your typical Nike box, but yeah, it definitely has a gloss feel, and then the Nike is kind of matted. So that's kind of cool already. But let's get to it. Let's open it up and actually see the shoe. All right, that's cool. You get some cool paper wrap with some details on there. Oh, okay. All right, here they are. You got that reverse swoosh going here. Got some suede on top. And then I like that inside where the Nike swoosh white with a little detail of the cactus drawing or writing on there. Here's both of them. You got one with the Air Jordan on the back, and then the Travis Scott logo as well too. That's kind of cool. That's very unique. All right, let's move these over here. Honestly, seeing these shoes in person, they're a lot better than actually from what I saw online. So I ended up getting these shoes online on October 13th, and so I paid the full retail for the $170 on the sneaker app. I was fortunate to win these. Here at the bottom, my one gripe about the Jordan 1s are the cleated tread on the bottom. I mean, they're definitely more than your normal basketball shoe, but I just never had a good grip on them in the past. But you got the Nike Golf logo there. I like the front where it's like leather. It's like leather in the front, and then on top it's suede. I know, like other Jordans, they give you 2 laces, but it looks like they give you 3. So you have 3 different options if you want to swap them out. Actually 4, I'm sorry, because you got white ones on here too. So got a lot of different options where you want to swap out. Yeah, you got the yellow tongue, like a tag yellow tongue on top here. Oh, that's right. Let me actually check out the insole. So you got your Jordan logo, your Travis Scott graphic, Jordan Golf logo as well too. I like the little details that they put into this. Kind of makes it a very unique shoe. I know it's a collab. Definitely, like when you see these, you definitely can tell that it's a collab. So yeah, my take on these shoes, just from my first reaction is they look better in person, honestly. For me, I don't know if I'll wear them. I'd be probably too self-conscious to wear them, to be honest, but I think it's cool that someone like Travis Scott is playing golf. Like, I've never really seen his game or any of that, but just seeing different collaborations between, with Jordan and like a musical artist like Travis Scott, that's kind of cool. Definitely in person, these shoes look a lot better than I expected. I don't know if I will personally wear these shoes, but I love the fact that you have like a musical artist, like someone like Travis Scott and Jordan collaborating, and then you're seeing a growth in different fashions in golf, and so it just makes golf that much even more fun for all ages, so that people can wear different types of like clothing that matches their personality. So definitely I could see some people wearing these. I can also see non-golfers wearing these on the street, and so definitely has that look that could really mesh well with just regular street clothes. Thanks for checking out this unboxing. Definitely this was something I was excited to unbox and see for myself. Quite interesting. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna wear these. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with them. Maybe I'll like drop them off at a Goodwill or something. I'm just kidding. We'll see what I'll do with these. But other than that, thanks for checking it out, and until next time, take care.